Hello everybody, welcome back to another weather forecasting video, and today we're going to start off a trend where I'm just going to post every single morning just a weather forecast for the entire US and just different regions of the US that need to be watched very carefully. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this every single day, and I'm going to do this until either I can't one day or I don't know. But no, seriously though, we're going to be doing a multiple multiple days of like weather forecasts and stuff. We can do this every single day. If we don't do this every day, we can do this every other day. Because it's probably gonna help a lot of people out, and I do want to get more information out to as many people as possible. So this is gonna be just like a raw video. It's not gonna be any edits, no anything like that. I'm just gonna just talk my way through and just show you guys everything raw. Um, but basically right now, I know it's not important right now because when this video is up, it's probably not gonna be tornado warnings anymore. But there is already a bunch of tornado warnings today. And this is the leftover from what happened last night, from that insane tornado outbreak that happened last night. I mean, we broke records in some of those, some of these books here. But we have a tornado warning over here in Tennessee, south of Nashville. So if you're just south of Nashville, near like Smyrna, Murfreesboro, and stuff like that, I would recommend getting ready to take shelter here soon because you have a supercell thunderstorm that could try to produce a tornado here in the near future. So definitely be aware of that. You also have storms over here in West Virginia as well, south and west or south and east of Charleston, West Virginia. That's also producing tornado warnings as well. So if you're in the yellow area over here, that stretches from all the way from I would say Baltimore, Maryland, all the way down to San Angelo, Texas, then I definitely would be watching the weather pretty carefully today because a lot of these storms are trying to drop tornadoes in these areas. I mean, look at this. Check over here. There's another storm that's trying to drop another tornado, and it's a supercell too. So there's already supercells firing up in these areas, and I'm gonna show you guys why here in a moment. Now this is currently right now, and well, I want to say right now. This is right. Yes, this is right now in Texas. There's some supercells blowing up in this area. Fast forward this through, they're gonna keep blowing up in this region, and then look at this. See all these storms over here? They're gonna start firing up. Actually, no, they're gonna go away. Actually, these storms are gonna go towards like Western Tennessee, create a flash flooding threat, a significant flash flooding threat, actually. Then you're gonna be like, it looks like it's done and over with now. Nope, it's not. You have new storms that fires up over here in Arkansas, and if I were to take a sounding here, I wouldn't be surprised if there is a pretty decent tornado risk with this sounding. Just a little bit. There's a little bit of a risk. I mean, you have a curved photograph and stuff like that. But I think once it gets itself together a little bit more, then that's when you're gonna get your bigger tornado threat. Yeah, you see how these storms start to blow up a whole lot more later on, this evening, afternoon, this evening. Yeah, that's what we gotta watch. And we have more storms blowing up in Texas. Like I said, this is nowhere near done. You fast forward this, and then you have, I think, yeah, this is tomorrow's risk. So fast forward is 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. You have a pretty substantial threat of supercells popping up over here in Oklahoma and Arkansas, and you keep fast forwarding this, and look at that. You have big time supercells, possibly tornado producing supercells in this area around 6 p.m. on April 4th. So we got to watch out for that in those areas. I mean, look at this storm right here. It's a classic supercell shaped storm on the HRRR model, by the way. That's what it's showing. So we keep pushing this through. It's going to become another line, and then more storms fire up right back here in Texas. So flash flooding is going to be a huge problem for this area all over here because of how much training thunderstorms is going to be. And not only that, you have a pretty significant severe weather risk down here as well. And I think this is going to be because of this. We're probably going to see a substantial tornado risk down here in Mississippi and Louisiana on, I think, Saturday. So we got to watch out for that as well. Like I said, I'm doing this raw. I'm not going to make too many edits. I'll probably make like an edit or two here for me just skipping to different slides and stuff. But this is what it's looking like right now. Now if I were to let's go to like the Midwest region. I mean, you guys can see, or the Ohio Valley region, you guys can see that it's gonna be pretty active over there. You fast forward this back, as you can see, Tennessee, you're gonna see training thunderstorms over and over again. There's different types of storms every single day. It's gonna get tiring for you guys. I mean, I know you guys are tired of the storms. You guys dealt with storms over here for the last 2 weeks now, and I know you guys are done with storms. You guys just want to be done with storms. I understand, but it's gonna continue to be active, unfortunately, for your area. And the final thing I want to show you guys is the day one convective outlook right here. This is an enhanced risk area for. This is from Texarkana into Memphis, Little Rock. You're in that as well. getting close to Nashville, Tennessee. The same areas that got hit by this insane tornado outbreak yesterday, it's going to get hit again by even more tornadoes today, maybe even more significant tornadoes today. So definitely be aware of that. Like I said, a 10% hatched area for significant tornadoes today, 5% area for tornadoes, and a 2% area that stretches from the Delmarva area all the way down to Dallas, Texas. So a pretty large, widespread area. Well, I wouldn't say large, widespread area, but a pretty large and elongated area, I guess you could say, that has a risk for tornadoes today. So definitely be weather aware of that. And also, you also have tomorrow too, which tomorrow, I feel like tomorrow is a little bit more of an elevated tornado risk, in my opinion, than today, only because there's more supercell thunderstorms that fire up tomorrow and it has more of a better environment, I guess you can say. So tomorrow, there's definitely going to be a pretty substantial risk of severe weather, so definitely be aware of that. But yeah, other than that, I mean, you also have this is Saturday as well. I mean, there's a 30% hatched area. Probably going to get a 10% tornado hatched area. If I'm not, I'm not going to be surprised if we don't or if we do. But it's literally every single day of the week there will be significant tornadoes. So we'll be live every single day of the week. So I'll have more updates for you guys here soon. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys. Peace.